In this video, you will learn about entities and how to search for entities on sam.gov. What do we mean when we refer to an entity? An entity in sam.gov can refer to businesses, sole proprietors, corporations, partnerships, individuals, and U.S. federal government agencies. An entity can be any organization or individual that bids on contracts or applies for grants and loans. An entity can also refer to a party that has been suspended or debarred, is covered by a prohibition or restriction, or is otherwise excluded from doing business with the government. Entities can obtain an entity registration in sam.gov, get a unique entity ID, or be subject to exclusions. Let's look at how to search entities in sam.gov. First, sign in. While you can search and view some things without signing in, searching for entities requires you to be signed into your sam.gov account. From the home page, there are 3 ways to begin your search. You can select Search in the menu bar, or you can select the Entity Information domain link, or you can use the search bar located below the domain links. Selecting the search link in the menu bar will take you to this search page. Note that when you select the search link from the menu, the search page will be set to all domains. To search for just entities, select the plus sign next to All Domains, then select the Entity Information domain, and then select Entities. Next, use the filters or enter a keyword to search for an entity. If you know the entity's name or unique entity ID, use the entity filter and enter it there. When you enter an entity name or unique entity ID, a menu appears below the field where you can select an entity that matches. If you do not see an entity that you are looking for, then try entering your information into the keywords box. You can use the other filters to view entities by purpose of registration, entity type, socioeconomic status, product or service information, where you can filter by NAICS or product service codes, registrations with debt subject to offset, location, or entity status. Filters help to narrow your search results. They work like an AND operator with your other search options. So if you use keywords and select 2 filter values, your search results will contain your keywords and match both of your filters. Let's go back to the home page and look at the other ways to search entities. Select the Entity Information domain link. This will take you to the Entity Information landing page. You can launch a search by selecting the type of entity information you want to search from the drop-down menu, and then enter a keyword or number in the search bar. This page also has links to help with using entity information on sam.gov. Once you enter your keyword or number in the search bar and select the search icon, your search results are displayed, and you can see your keyword displayed here below the keyword search. You can add more keywords or activate filters here to refine your search. Back at the sam.gov homepage, the 3rd way you can search entities is to use the search bar below the domain links. Select Entity Information from the drop-down, enter keywords or a number, and select the search icon. The search bar on the home page will launch a search of all entity information, not just entities. This means your search may include exclusions or disaster response registry records. If you want to view only entities, select Entities from the domain picker, and your search results will update to show just entity records. To view an entity's record, Select the title from the search results. Entity registration records will display an entity's core data and other information depending on the type of registration. Entities that only have a unique entity ID assigned and are not registered will display only basic entity information. Thank you for watching this video on how to search for entities.